Hello everyone and welcome to this quick knowledge group video where we're going to show you how to find the ideal webcast for you. So as you can see on screen now, Find Webcasts is the easiest way to find your webcasts, and we've got everything segmented there based on practice area, but there's also that orange button, that Find Webcast button on screen too, and by scrolling down you'll find some more information about our webcasts. So what we'll do is we'll quickly have a look at, say, the legal vertical, for example, to find some False Claims Act related webcasts. So as you can see, there's a search bar there, which we're going to type into in a second, but if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more information about upcoming webcasts we have. And as you can see, we'll start typing away here, entering some False Claims Act. And then as you can see, it'll bring up a list of live and recorded webcasts, all of them segmented based on practice area, so you can identify exactly what you're looking for. And by clicking on the webcast, it'll take you to the webcast screen where you'll see options to register. You'll see the button at the top there, but also more information about our speakers, the full agenda, and everything they intend to cover. So that's really everything on how to find a webcast effectively. If there are any questions, you can always reach us. info@theknowledgegroup.org is the address that you need. We do have a 24/7 ticketing system as well, so you can get help whenever you need it. Now, of course, never fear if your version looks slightly different to the version on screen. We are in the process of actively taking on board all of our customers' feedback and adjusting our site to make it easier than ever to meet your continuing education requirements. So feel free to get in touch if there are any questions, any concerns. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you at your next Knowledge Group webcast, whenever that may be. And until that time, take care